All right, welcome guys to another Forex session. Now in this session, briefly, I want to show us the double bottom chart pattern. Okay, the double bottom chart pattern. This pattern is classified as a reversal chart pattern because sometimes in an uptrend, you can see the market, giving you a double bottom chart pattern. That is when the price rejected in the same level, in the same price level twice. Sometimes it plays out in an uptrend. I'll give an example of that, but for the sake of this class for today, you can see the price rejected here the first time and the second time. So this is a double bottom. Now, but we need to be careful whenever we are dealing with this chart pattern. Now, if you want to trade this pattern, always wait for the resistance level to be broken, which is this. This level must be broken and retested with a volume candle. So this is a good entry point, So you can make your entry at this candlestick. Now, this is all about double bottom chart pattern. Yes, I know it looks so simple, but the truth is this. Whenever you see a price rejected at a particular level twice, just wait for the resistance level to break. Once it breaks, retested it, wait for an engulfing candle or a candlestick with big body. Once that candlestick formed at the break of that resistance, that is your entry. This is all about the double bottom chart. You just have to be careful to make sure that the resistance line is broken and retested, then you make your entry. Now, are there times where these chart patterns fail? Yes. That is why we are always advised to risk at least 1 or 2% of your account. Don't risk more than 2% of your account because the forex market, anything can happen. A lot can happen and your trade will not go as you expected. So now let me show you an example where the double bottom failed and the reason why it failed. Just let me look for that example and you see the reason. I'll show you the reason why it failed. Okay, now you can see what happened here. This is the same double bottom, and now, like I told us that the resistance level must be broken and retested. Now, there's a minor level here, okay, because some persons might actually draw it like this, and at the break of this, they will make their entry. Now, whenever you are making an entry, always check the next low or the next high, because the market can always reverse from there. Now, if you look at this level, you see why the market reversed. You can see why the market reversed. Now, this candlestick alone, this big bearish candle, is enough reason not to have taken this trade at this level. Is enough reason not to have taken this trade at this level. It would have been better if the trade is taken at the top of this resistance level. It would have been better if the trade is taken at the top of this resistance level. Now, this is why I always tell people, when you are trading, be patient. Don't just jump into the market. Don't rush. Okay? Now, those people that enter the market at this level, the market find resistance here and went back. But if you have waited for this, this is like a momentum candle and is very significant. Very, very significant. I don't want to start talking about supply zone so that I don't get it, I don't get too confused for the newbies. Okay. But in summary, whenever you are entering into a trade, no matter how good the setup is. Check for the closest strong resistance and the closest strong support area. If it is very close to your entry, please don't make that entry, because the market can always reverse from that place. But if the next resistance level or support level is far, let's assume that this particular candlestick is somewhere, this particular candlestick or this particular price action area is currently at this level, then you make that level your what? Your take profit. Okay, now the market is very simple. Don't assume. Somebody can enter the market and say, no, it's going to break this, it's going to break it, it's going to break through this level. No, don't assume. Until it breaks and retest it, don't assume that it will. If you do that, you keep on having a lot of losing trade. Okay, so this is the case where this double bottom failed, and I have told you the reason why it failed. Now, if you come back to this, now, if you look at this level, there's every tendency that the market will reject from this level. There's every tendency that the market will do what? The market will reject from this level. The possibility is very high. It's very, very high. So that is why if I am to trade this, let's say I enter from this candle. Now, if I am to enter at the close of this bullish candle, if I'm to enter at the close of this candle, my first target will be this resistance level. Okay, this will be my first target. Let me put TP1. I can call it TP1. Okay, take profit. Now, if I'm to enter from that candle, this will be my take profit. And my stop loss will be at this level, so that I'll be targeting 1:1, because there's every tendency that the market can reverse from that particular area. So don't assume, always respect structure. Now, always respect structure. Don't assume. The market always respects structure. So you should learn to always respect structure. Now, my take profit will be at this particular level. That is below. My stop loss will be at this level, under this level. While my take profit will be at this level. That is if my entry is at this level. Now, in that case, I'm targeting 1:1 or 1:1.5. So I don't want us to assume, because that is what is really killing a lot of traders. You just assume that the market is going to break through it and to keep on going. Yes, the market can, but respect price action. Respect price action. In case if the market decides to not to do that thing you expected. Now, if this is my entry, my stop loss this level, my take profit this level. Then when the market break and retest, I can do what? Let's say the market happen to do this break. Let's say the market break, retested this level again. Now, and if I see a bullish engulfing candle like this, that's my entry. Okay. Immediately the market break through this high, I will enter the market again and put my stop loss just below this level, and I'll join the market. So it is better to take your profit, wait for another break and retest, then you join the market. You get it? Now, in summary, whenever you see a double bottom, wait for the resistance to break and make sure that there is no resistance level that is close to your entry point. If there's a resistance level close to your entry point, allow that resistance level to be broken and retested. But if the distance is a little bit far, you can get at least 1:1 between that next resistance level and your stop loss. If you do the calculation, you can get to 1:1.5. Yes, you can make the entry. But if it is less than 1:1, ignore that trade, let that trade go, wait for the market to break that structure and retest it. And if you can stick to this, your trading will definitely improve. I can assure you that. Okay. I'll be ending this lecture here. In the next lecture, we're going to look at another chart pattern and make it as simple as this, or more simpler. Okay, so this is all you need to know about double bottom. Let me tell you the truth. There are some traders that the only thing they trade in the market is double bottom, and they are making a lot of money. You know, the problem with traders is that we want to do so many things. We think that the more we do, the more profit we make. No, it does not work like that in Forex market. Forex market, you must be specific. Keep trading one particular style. This could be your only trading style. I tell you the truth, if you follow the rules I just gave you now, you will be highly profitable. Yeah, there are some times that it will fail, and I've told you when it will fail is when there is a structure very close to your entry. It may fail. But if this next structure to your entry can give you some level of profit, then you can take it. And when it breaks that resistance and retest it, you can join the market. So with this alone, following this rules I've given you, you can actually make this as your trading style. All right. Thank you very much. I'll see you at the next class for the next chart pattern. Bye.